Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're at British Gypson at Eastleak, and Saint-Gobain is a French company that now own British Gypson, and they are actively phasing out British Gypson logos. So this is the new sign that's been put up recently. So we are under a flight of aircraft, so I'm going to have to be careful today. So we're just going to inform: keep out private property, no public access, no children allowed at any time, no dogs. Trespassers will be prosecuted. So we're just going to go down to security just to let them know what we're doing. There is a footpath down here to them. It's a beautiful, beautiful day today. Perfect weather. Zebra crossing needs repainting. Got my body camera on as well. Pedestrians, all visitors, so I'll just go and announce that I'm here. Now this is a new car park, and it's got lots and lots of electric charging. Got a brand new security hut, which is nice. They used to be over in that little brick one. They've got number plate recognition, so the barriers open up automatically and close automatically. Mr. Security, how you doing, mate?
All right, you?
Yeah, I'm just a YouTuber. I'm going to be doing some beautiful photography today over British Gypson with a drone. So, if anybody...
Does everybody know about it?
No, that's why I'm informing you now, mate. We don't legally have to notify them. Oops. I've checked with Drone Assist because we're very close to East Midlands Airport.
Yeah.
So I've got the okay to fly here, so I've got all my legal go ahead. So
yeah. Okay.
I don't know if you know what the law stands. British Gypsum owns the land, but they don't own the airspace.
No.
So I'm a pilot, proper pilot, a drone pilot, so I am legally allowed to fly over the top. So what I should be doing today is just covering this area here where I can see the drone.
Yeah.
Then I'll be going down to by the railway tracks, and then I'll be going down to XPO. So I'll be here for about an hour and I'll be gone.
Okay.
Alright? Do you want me to notify you when I leave here so that you know I'm out of the way?
You can do, yeah.
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 Just be courteous to you,
don't
innit?
know you've gone, yeah.
That's it, you know, that, you know, if anybody phones up, you say, yeah,
He's been and gone.
he's gone down the other side.
Okay.
Alright, mate, have a lovely day. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yes.
What perfect weather. I've been waiting for months to come here.
It's a bit
So,
difficult.
yeah, a very nice guy. So, yeah, so you got the number plate recognition cameras. You've got all new cameras all over. That's the main plant over there where they manufacture. This is a mine here that go all the way from here to Barrow underground. All under Loughborough and all the way over there. So it is a very, very extensive operation here. Nice to see that they've gritted all the walkways because it was very icy this morning. So I'm just going to stand up on the corner over there and fly the drone. Up and away with the Bulldog on its maiden flight at British Gypson, Eastleak. So we're going to get some height. That's the main entrance. That's the new security hut there. Very posh in there with solar panels now. Just across here is all the new parking. And look how many electric hookups they've got. So I'm going to fly over the car park and go up. Get some height. So you can see well signposted for public walkway. One-way system around the car park. British Gypsum are going heavily on electric vehicles for their fleet. Over here, the main offices.
Eastleak site is home to our head offices, including our research and development and independent UCAS accredited testing laboratories.
That's a staff car park for British Gypsum drivers. That's the main entrance. We're going in. And there's a huge conveyor belt going all the way from there down to that building, that green hut there. over there, and that is one of the warehouses where vehicles are loaded. This is the main production. In this building down here, they have huge gas dryers. I'm not sure if that's the main entrance to the mine. If somebody can let me know. That's the dreaded XPO trailer park. Which we will be going to have a look at there shortly. It is a bit chilly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a 360 a couple of times, so it's not that. Yeah, matey, how are you?
Not too bad, thank you. Just come and have a chat with you about flying the drone over.
Yeah.
What is it it's for?
It's just for myself, mate. I do photography.
Right, okay.
So I've just done what they call a 360, so it does a whole shot of the whole area and everything. So,
right, okay. What's the purpose of it for?
It's just for myself. I just do photography.
Okay. Whereabouts is the drone now?
It's just over here, this building here.
Okay, because we're not allowed to let you fly drones over the site.
No, you don't have the say-so. I have, as you can see, I'm a drone pilot.
Yeah.
I have the CAA authority to fly over here.
Okay.
You own the site,
Yeah.
but you don't own the airspace.
No, but
I am a qualified pilot.
Yeah.
I've done all the drone assist checks that I can legally fly here, which I can actually do.
Yeah, I'm not saying it's illegal to fly it over.
Yeah.
But we've got
like
our own drones as well.
Yeah.
So we've got procedures for putting drones over site.
You have to. Yeah, you have to, because of your size of your drone.
Yeah.
You have to notify the CAA.
Yeah.
Well, I do checks on that, and you're not flying the drone, so I'm allowed to fly. Mine's a sub
I understand
250. Excuse me. Mine's a sub. Let me bring it back. Mine's a sub 2. Let me bring this back, and I'll have a chat with you, mate.
No problem.
So that comes home automatic, you see.
You got one of the ones on there where when the storm hits and stuff like that, you can press the button and it just comes back.
Yeah, that's what it's doing now.
Yeah.
So I took off over there, so I'll be coming back there. Yeah. So I have to check with the CAA with the drone assist.
Yeah.
That because this is outside of the red zone, we can fly. But I have to be aware. Let's go and stand over here so I can see the drone coming out. I have to be aware of aircraft coming in and going out, so you get low aircraft. Yeah. So then I have to lower it down. So
you have to go through the approval process.
That's right.
Airport.
Yeah. Yeah. So, but what size drones do you fly?
We've got a multitude of all different ones because we've got a lot of mining.
That's right.
So a lot of what they use it for is the mining and that side of stuff as well. So no, it's not to say that it's illegal or anything to fly the drones.
No, you're just making sure that I've got the right qualifications and everything else.
A lot of what we have to do is, and what we would need to get you to do to fly over there is, aside from the approval process of Eastleak Airport, we've also got documentation that we have to fill in as a procedure to say, yeah, we're happy, everything's been checked, you're now approved to go and fly the drone up, sort of thing. How high have you got?
He goes.
You see it?
No, it's tiny. It's coming down. It's tiny.
Oh, it's above you there. I was going to say I can hear it, but I can't see it. Yeah.
You've got better hearing than I have.
Watch this power line.
Yeah, that's wrong. Tiny, isn't it?
Yeah, my father-in-law's got the same size one. Exactly the same drone. He lives in the village.
Yeah.
Oh, London. Oh, London was what you use for weddings.
Yeah, a lot of them do.
It's unbelievable.
A lot of the wedding photographers and that have them now.
Yeah, they do.
They go up and do the videos instead of just photos as well.
Yeah.
So, I have everything approved.
It's exactly the same one as my father-in-law's got. It's literally the same drone.
Yeah. This is the GGI Mini 3 Pro.
Yeah.
So, everything I do, I've got commercial license and everything else.
Yeah.
So I can legally fly all above here.
Well, we had the reason that the bosses have sent me out to have a chat with you is probably about 12 months or so ago. Was it that guy came from YouTube? Do you remember?
Yes. Yeah.
DJ Audit.
Something like that.
Yeah.
So he came.
He was a right knob.
You can tell his intention was to literally create grief to get bits on YouTube.
Yeah.
So you can imagine now, as soon as somebody says there's a guy flying a drone, they're like, go out and chat to him, please. Yeah. So just come out and have a chat. Just find out what you wanted to do it for. Obviously, if you do want to fly it again, it's not to say that you can't fly it.
You say you do mining.
Yeah. All of this is a mine.
I know what it is.
Yeah.
I used to work here donkey.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
On the transport donkey.
Yeah.
So I know what it all does. So how do you use it in the mines then?
A lot of it, they don't necessarily put the drone down the mine, but what they use it for is surveys above ground.
Oh right, yeah.
So they're picking out. So if we've got an area that they think is rich in gypsum and stuff like that, they send the drones up. They just scale the areas and all that sort of thing.
Because you can do all the mapping, can't you? The terrain mapping and all that.
So that's the topographical stuff is a lot of what they look at and stuff like that, and all of that sort of side of it. So yeah, what we've got is because obviously drones is still relatively new, and a lot of people aren't using them at the minute. So they almost created a company procedure alongside the law.
Yeah.
So the company procedure now, it goes through sort of a checklist to a degree and says, right, have you done this stage of approval? Have you checked this? Have you checked this? Have you checked this? So if you do want to come in the future to take it, it's not to say that you can't. Just pop in his ears in advance. See whoever it is on security. It might not be Rob, might be one of the other guys.
Yeah.
Ask for myself. I'm the facilities manager.
Facilities manager.
And I can put you in touch even via email in advance, and Jeremy can speak to you. Jeremy's the estates director. Yeah. But he doesn't just do this site. He does all of our sites across the country. And he can go through and just make sure that everything's ticked off on our side. Yeah. We know a time and a date that you come in then or whatever. And we can
but it's all down to the weather.
Yeah.
I mean, I've been waiting for a month to come here.
Yeah. The weather's been a bit hit and miss, to be fair.
It's been terrible, absolutely terrible. Yeah. And you can only fly. The reason I wear this is because people filming of me.
Right. Okay.
So to create privacy,
you
got to do this.
Yeah. Fine. That way as well, if you come in advance sort of thing, we've got your details. So if anybody questions us internally, then we can say, it's all approved. He spoke to us in advance.
That's it.
No problem.
So it's beautiful. See, the thing is, the public don't get to see anything, do they?
No.
This helps you to show the public what you're doing.
Yeah. Well, they do as well. If you wanted to get in touch and contact head office, they do plant tours, mine tours to the public as well. So you can book in and go and do them as well. So, but not a lot of people know about it. So
no, they don't do it.
No. So I think the company is getting a lot better at liaising with the general public and doing events, family days and stuff like that. I know Barrow just down the road just did a big one.
About local people giving their
Yeah, there's quite a lot of stuff.
That's it.
There's a lot of stuff like that, and I think it goes a long way as well, liaising with the public and keeping them involved and stuff like that, so they know what we're doing. But I mean, I'd probably say 50% of the workforce are local residents.
Yeah, because you used to have the railway tracks, didn't you?
Yeah, well, that's still going.
Is it still going?
It's owned. It's not owned by us. It's owned by the Great Central Railway.
Yeah.
So they still do a lot. We do a lot of work with them and stuff to help them maintain the area and stuff. But they do a lot of, especially now it's getting better weather. They do a lot of events on Sundays and stuff like that, where they all come down and open the cafe and stuff like that. So it's a lot busier on the railway side of it than it ever was. Yeah.
It needs to be though, doesn't it?
But I think they're like with a lot of organisations like that at the minute. I think they struggle for a lot of funding and stuff like that as well. So, because it's not.
I did see that YouTube guy, DJ Audit. Yeah. He came here. Your security is brilliant.
Yeah, they're all right.
The one down at British Gypson.
Down the other side of the Weybridge.
They're arseholes.
Yeah, they didn't take too kindly to him, did they?
No. I'm going to go down there.
I'd had a quick look at some of the stuff that he does and stuff like that, and you can tell the type of person he is. He's going to try and antagonise the situation
to get the views,
to create something. I think he recently sued the Metropolitan Police. I think. Yeah. Because of the way they'd reacted to him, I think a security guard got a physical.
Yeah, he did.
But I mean, we're not a site that's sort of like, it's not like a prison where we're saying nobody can come in, nobody can come near us. We want to liaise with the public and just make sure we're doing the right way.
Yeah, prison, like I said to your guy, he says, well, I'm not sure. I says, well, and I did explain to him, I do have the licence, the drone is, as you saw, the number on. Mm-hmm. I do drone assist, and I'll show you. So, that's my weather app. So it tells me I'm good to fly. Yeah. Right. And then that's my drone assist. So I'm allowed to fly in that area. I'm not allowed. Well, the drone won't even take off in that area.
All right. It does it automatically.
It does it automatically. Oh, right. So as long as in that area, and because I'm local, as well, I know that the planes come in this way and take off. So they're taking off this way today. Yeah. But then you do get some coming down low here. Yeah. So as soon as I hear an aircraft, I've got to bring it down. Yeah, doesn't matter what. I've got to bring it down to a safe height.
Just in case.
But like he said, how are you? When you do a return, if you're doing high buildings, say I'm stood next to that, it's got to go as high as it can. Yeah. And then over and then down. Yeah. So you're missing all this. Yeah. But the beauty of it, like it was over there. I can see it on the drone on here. Because the quality of that is
I was going to say it's amazing what they can do now.
Quality. Yeah. So I can see the drone at all time, even though you're not going to actually see the drone. You know exactly where it is. Yeah. But if I turn the recording off, all the strobes start flashing.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
So I could pick it up even over there on a bright day. But you
clever,
got to
the
watch.
technology.
You got to watch that weight limit though,
Yeah.
because they are right on the limit of the weight limit.
Yeah.
So all you got to do is switch the recording off, and then you got 4 strobes flashing, which you'll see. You see, if you call the police and the police turn up, they have the right to check my licence and insurance.
Yeah.
And with me flying over commercial premises, if I haven't got commercial insurance, they can do me.
Yeah.
So, but your guy, lovely.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Rob's ex-copper as well.
Yeah, so, absolutely lovely.
Yeah, they're all good.
Yeah.
But this is the thing, there's no point in not being polite to people and taking the time to talk to them. Do you know what I mean? So it goes a long way to just
But you watch the difference between this site and going around to XPO.
I can't talk for them.
No.
So like I said,
but you've seen it for yourself though, haven't you?
Yeah, well I saw the videos that got put on YouTube, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean a lot of what we've done, because all of the fence line, the new gatehouse, the car park and everything, this is all new.
I noticed, yeah.
But a lot of what we did this wasn't necessarily to sort of make it like Fort Knox, if you like, but it was more to give us a little bit of security on site in terms of we know who's coming in and out. But yeah, listen, if you want to come down again, just pop in, see security, ask for myself, we'll sort it out, make sure Jeremy's all clear with it.
It's alright if I go down to British Gypson, just the other side?
Down the other side, I can't speak for them. No. Go down and see security, see what they say.
I'll just tell them. I'll just say the same.
My jurisdiction is like this side.
Yeah.
And they've got.
But you happy with what I've done?
Yeah, not a problem. Just let me know if you. I don't know, where are you tending to share it, or are you not sharing it online?
I might put it on YouTube, but if I do, what I'll do, I'll send you a copy.
Yeah. Just pop down and speak to. I don't think I've got one of my business cards on there. Hold on. No, I haven't.
Because I'm not here to. I want to put a good light on you.
Yeah, okay.
I don't want to, I'm not like him.
Yeah.
If you look at my YouTube channel, I don't do that. I do a lot of the migrant places.
Yeah.
I'm not here to cause problem. I'm here to do the lawful flying, beautiful photography. I love what the 4K footage is amazing.
Yeah.
So on here, you know where you got this building here, the round one, where is the entrance to the mine? Because you can't see it.
It is just the other side of that green building.
Is that long building? Yeah. That's the entrance of it.
It's not an easy task.
But like you got solar panels on the security, so it's a little bit going that way, but it's better.
It's more of a thing. It's not very easy to sort of almost go back and retrospectively do everything.
No.
But what we can make sure, at least we do as a minimum, is everything we do going forward is better. So I know it's only a little building, but we used as much as we could all our own products in that.
Yeah.
So from the insulation on the floor, the roof, the walls.
That's it. You got to, haven't you?
So it's gone well. It's a nice little building.
It is lovely.
Yeah, the solar panels. There's not many on there, but we worked out within about 8 months it'll be running itself, sort of thing. So yeah, it's another good start.
And now you got all the electric points as well.
20 of them we've put in.
And you're going for. I've noticed you've got a lot of Teslas.
Yeah, well, that's a lot of them do. So we've obviously got the company car.
Yeah.
But we also do salary sacrifice, so all employees have the opportunity to then go and get an electric car or a newer vehicle.
Oh, right.
Well, a bit of a discount.
So it would be an advantage for you to put solar up.
Yeah, definitely.
Because obviously they've got to pay for their electric, but then the company's got to pay for the company one. But if you've got solar panels, then the payback will be.
Well, a lot of what we're looking at the minute is, and it's sort of a bit of a common theme at the minute, is everybody sort of goes, yes, it's solar, let's do solar. But actually, solar is great in terms of the energy it creates, but that's no good if your building is not energy efficient.
That's right.
So there's a lot of stuff we're doing around energy performance ratings at the minute with an external company. So,
you see, your drones could do that as well. Your drones can fly around with an infrared camera and pick out the places that are not very...
Well, they're doing a lot of that with the thermography. We've got a company that comes in and do that, so they don't just do it, they do the whole building, so they do the windows, the electrical boards and everything like that. So, it just gives us a better idea of where the areas are we need to concentrate on first before we worry about putting solar on everything.
Because I don't know if you know, but battery storage, the National Grid will pay you to take the electric off them.
Yeah. So they do. It's a return to grid scheme. Yeah. So the more you generate, the more you can send back. So
no, but also when they've got all the solar panels and the wind turbines that are producing, and they've got nowhere to store it, and there's no, like today, the electricity would be down, but the sun will be up, the wind probably be up. But then, if they can't use that energy, they're paying people like Elon Musk with the battery thing. They're paying people to take the electricity from them for nothing. And he's going and paying them. He's built a massive place in Nottingham with the batteries to run housing estates. And all that comes from the national grid that they can't use.
I know a lot of new houses are now making a sort of certain quota that any new builds that go up a certain amount of each
Not
estate
enough
and
though,
stuff.
is
So,
it?
well, no, I don't
I've noticed this one down in just outside of Eastleak.
Sutton Bonington.
They've all got solar panels. Yeah, they're really good. David Wilson's is a good builder.
Right, I've got to shoot.
Thank you very much for your help, mate.
Problem.
All the best.
Anything you need in future, just pop in, see security, and we'll help you out and advise you.
Thank you very much for your help, mate. All the best. And I'll send you a link, and it will be good. It won't be bad.
No problem.
All right, mate. Thank you very much.
If details for emailing or anything, just nip and see security.
I'll nip and get it now. Yeah. Thank you very much for your help, mate.